Hi guys, today I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the mouthpiece of Brita filter bottle. As you can see, there's some stubborn stain which I'm not able to remove. It's quite dirty inside also. So I came across this seller on Shopee selling a pair of the mouthpiece for about 4 Singapore dollars. I didn't even know this is selling anywhere, so I decided to give it a try. However, I did struggle a bit on how to remove the existing mouthpiece, and I'm not able to find any tutorial anywhere on TikTok or YouTube. So once I figured it out, I decided to do this video, and I hope this is helpful. Okay, so we just twist open the bottle and remove the filter. Okay. So this is the cap. Do not try to pry open this part. You just need to open the cap and give it a great push. Yeah, just like that. When you want to replace, you have to take note of the knot here. So you just have to position nicely accordingly and give it a great push. Or a pull. Okay, it's done. Okay, let's see if we can insert the filter. Okay, it works nicely. So hope this is helpful. Thank you.